Hello, good day. My name is Hussein and I'm Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. Well, let's talk about this trading week, which ends on a high note and excellent sentiment in the market as the US banking sector presented outstanding quarter results, beating even the best expectations. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, BlackRock easily beat Wall Street expectations both on EPS and revenues. Most remarkable, as a result of Goldman Sachs and blackout that bet on the financial instruments trading, Goldman Sachs EPS in first quarter hit $18.6 versus $10.1 expected. BlackRock's quarter profit surged by 16% and assets under management grew to a phenomenal 9 trillion or 40% of the GDP of the United States. Brilliant start of the first 2021 reporting season. However, stocks indices are reluctant to the news. S&P 500 broad market index just gained about 0.6% despite even tremendous March retail sales in the US get jumped by 9.8% after falling by 27% in February. However, there is an event that may overshadow bullish sentiment in the market. Jerome Powell surprised the market by saying that the central bank will begin to slow the pace of its bonds purchases well before rising interest rates. Such statement by the Federal Reserve could be shocking and frightening for investors, but not now amid brilliant reporting season and strong macroeconomics data. So it might be an explanation for the moderate reaction of the stock market. On Friday, investors would focus on the first quarter GDP of China that is expected to jump by 19%, inflation in Eurozone, and corporate report of another US banking giant Morgan Stanley that may easily beat analyst expectations too. The S&P 500 broad market index is set to follow the upside scenario with the target of 4,485 points. However, if it runs out of steam, the index may continue to consolidate at 4,120 points. Brent crude unexpectedly jumped to $67 per barrel. The only trigger for such jump in crude reserves data in the United States that show the sharp decline in reserves by 5.8 million barrels, but this is not only enough to justify such bold prices movements. Price is now far above weekly resistance at $64.40 per Brent crude barrel. Gold prices also broke through $1,750 per ounce after yield on 10-year US Treasuries step back to 1.56%. Gold prices might be attractive for buy positions as long as they are holding above $1,750 per ounce. The greenback weakened throughout the entire week. The Euro USD is struggling close to the resistance level at 1.1960, and at the moment, sell positions with the target of 1.1850 are looking favorable. But they should not be left over weekend. The GBP USD is targeting the resistance level at 1.3820. Sell positions from this level with targets at 1.3720 are still attractive to open on Friday. The USD JPY slid below the support level at 109.00 and may continue to decline to 107.60. However, it's better to wait for the triggers for such downside movements. Until then, it is better to wait with opening any new orders. Well, guys, thank you very much for listening. I'll see you guys later. Have a great, profitable week ahead and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.